is the 1891 LoneRock RBK2, part of our Hunting and Outdoor series. This replaceable blade knife features 60A scalpel blades with a satin finish, and also comes with 14 additional replacement blades. One of the great improvements that we made over the original RBK is a safety tab or plunger. To replace the blade, you'll press the tab, put your hands on the top of the blade, and pull. This helps ensure that your fingers are never in contact with the blade edge, so when you're in the field or processing an animal, you don't have to worry about accidentally cutting yourself. The handle is a glass-filled nylon with a rubber overlay. Has excellent ergonomics, and this also ensures that if it's raining or the handle is slippery, you maintain a secure grip. It opens manually with washers via the thumb stud and utilizes a liner lock. It's a Kershaw original design, and another great feature of this model is that it comes with a buddy handle. So if your friend forgets their knife or brings a dull knife, you can add one of the replacement blades to it and they're good to go. As well, it comes with a great sheath that can be secured in your pack or on your belt. This is the 1891 LoneRock RBK2.